Hey guys, it's a Linux Talks again today, and we're going to be learning how to use Git and GitHub. So if you're using Git Bucket or Bitbucket, I forgot what it's called, then it's pretty similar. But we're using primarily GitHub in this video. So we're going to go how to create a repository and how to have a local repository and push files and stuff. So you can see I have some other repositories. We'll just take a look at it real quick. Like I have my Java class. I'm in a Java programming class right now, and so this is my GitHub repository. Like you can see the different stuff we work on. Here, I'll show. Well, and so GitHub and Git is primary for like sharing code and stuff. So this is a very basic way. Like this is just a basic for loop, but these are the different lessons we went over. So I just store it on GitHub. But say you're working on a big project with a team and you need one place where you can all collaborate, all view your code, and all do that. And this is pretty much GitHub. For example, our robotics team, we share the code for the robotics all in here. So this is where our code is. So that's pretty cool. So first we're going to create a new repository. So we'll go back to home. So when you log in, when you create your username and log in and everything, you'll come to here. We're going to create a new repository, and we're just going to name it random because it's a random repository that I'm not going to use after this video. And random repo for a random YouTube video. So that'll be our description, and we'll create the repository. Alright, so you'll come here. So if we go to, here I'll open this link in a new tab. If we go back, we have random. But right now we don't really know how, there's nothing in there, that's why it comes into the screen. So there's nothing in that repository. So now we have to clone it to our files and stuff to work around and put files in. So I'm going to put this on my desktop. So you're going to open your terminal. So if you're on Windows, then you'll just open the GitHub or the Git terminal. But if you're on Linux, it's usually pre-installed. So I'm going to change directory to desktop. Clear, and we can see if we run Git, it gives us a few of the different commands that it can write. All right, so we'll use the command Git Clone, and then this right here. So it pretty much tells you how to create it, kind of right here. So you're going to clone it. So clone. So Git Clone, paste, press enter, cloning into random. You can see right here it created the random folder. And now, so pretty much it takes the repository in the GitHub and brings it down to your computer. So we'll type git, or wait, we need to change directory, random. So now we're in random. And you can see it just added this master thing because this is the master folder. So we'll do git status, and it says there's nothing to commit, there's no files, everything's perfect, but we want to put some files in there. So we're going to open the random folder. Let's see, what should we do? Let's add a file called rand.txt. So we go in there, and we just created a file. A file called rand.txt. So we'll add some letters to put in there. Let me wait for Visual Studio Code, one of the best text editors that I think. If you don't use gedit or Vim or one of those things, I definitely use Visual Studio Code because it's great. All right, so we're gonna add some text and be like, "Hey YouTube," that'll be the first line. And this was created on Linux, and then let's just add all right, how's that? That looks good. So whoop, I think I just deleted that on accident. Let me see. So let's see if I deleted that. Don't think so. Yeah, I did. So I'll say, hey YouTube, I'm in a repository on Git. And we'll do Control S, save that. Now we can exit. Alright, so if we do cat ran.txt, we can see that it says, hey YouTube, I'm in a repository. So clear. And now we're going to add it. We're going to do git status. See the status of our repository, and it says, wow, look, there's a new file, ran.txt. So we're going to use git add. So it pretty much says we add it to the repository, git ran.txt, and it added it. So now it can be put, so now we can push it. Pushing it pretty much means putting it in this repository, pushing it up to GitHub from our local computer. So now we're going to do a commit, git commit. Or first we'll do a readme. So if you have any readme file in your Git thing, GitHub automatically, so we'll create it, git readme. GitHub automatically displays it. So say you need to display some stuff. I'll show you a sample readme in just a second. We can just add some basic text. So we'll do, this is my first repository created by Caleb. Alright, we'll add that readme in there, and now we'll do git status again, git status. Now it says, wow, there's a new file, git add readme.txt. Add that, and now we're going to commit it. Git commit /m, and then what our message is going to be, we added, or we'll do first initialize. Alright, oh, we haven't told them who we are yet, so we're going to do git config /global user.email. So we're going to have to do this every time, and then cfallgren1@gmail.com. And you want to do this every, once you first install Git. So global user.name cfallgren1, or Caleb Fallgren. Boom. So we added that. Now we'll try to do the commit real quick. And now it says it went successfully. And now we're going to push it to our GitHub repository. So git push -u origin master. So our username, cfallgren1. And my password is none of your business. Alright, so it says it's writing it and it pushed it. So we can see both of these will end up there. So now if we click at random and refresh it, wow, look, both our files are here. And you can see it automatically reads readme.txt. So it automatically pulls it up for anyone looking at your repository to read. We'll open up ran.txt and we can see our stuff from before. Hey YouTube, I'm in a repository on Git. So this is basically it, and you can just keep adding files, removing files. So this is basic Git. I'll show you before I end the video. Show you what a really good README would be. So go to Java class, and you can see this README is pretty cool. It automatically pulls it up. It has some pictures, download links, website, and YouTube. And you're probably wondering, how do I get this in a text file? It's actually with .md files. And I might make another video, but you should probably want to look it up. There's different formatting things you can do to make all of this happen. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out some of the other videos. See you next time.